Welcome to the future of coding assistance. Anthropic's Claude Code just received a major upgrade with the release of Haiku 4.5 inches October 2025. This update isn't just another incremental improvement, it's a leap forward in speed, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. Imagine your AI coding assistant becoming 3 times cheaper and twice as fast overnight, all while maintaining top-tier code quality. Developers everywhere are rethinking their workflows, as Claude Haiku 4.5 matches the intelligence of previous models at a fraction of the price. Let's dive into how this breakthrough is transforming the daily experience of programmers and why it's making waves across the tech industry. You might be thinking, another AI model update? But Claude Haiku 4.5 is different. Released on the 15th of October 2025, it delivers coding capabilities on par with Claude Sonnet 4, but at just 1/3 of the cost and more than double the speed. For developers, this means less waiting and more building. The days of staring at loading bars are over now. You can maintain your flow state and get production-ready code in seconds. This isn't just about faster responses. It's about fundamentally changing how developers interact with AI and what's possible in a typical workday. Let's talk numbers. When tested on a tricky React 18 suspense boundary race condition, Haiku 4.5 slashed response times from 8 seconds to under 3 seconds. The code quality remained elegant and comprehensive, but the speed was game-changing. For developers, this means you can stay in the zone, iterate faster, and solve problems before they disrupt your workflow. The shift from waiting for AI to experiencing near-instantaneous pair programming is a huge productivity boost, making every coding session smoother and more efficient. Claude Haiku 4.5 isn't just fast, it's smart. On the SWE-bench Verified benchmark, where AI models fix real bugs in Python repositories, Haiku 4.5 scored an impressive 73.3%. This matches the gold standard set by Claude Sonnet 4, but at unprecedented speed. Developers can now rely on Haiku 4.5 for both routine and complex coding challenges, knowing they're getting state-of-the-art performance without the premium price tag. This level of quality and speed is setting a new bar for AI-assisted development. One of the standout features of Haiku 4.5 is its ability to execute tasks in parallel. Imagine building a complex system like a Reddit-style comment section. With Sonnet 4.5, this might take 47 minutes when done sequentially. But with Haiku 4.5's parallel agent execution, the same task can be completed in just 14 minutes without sacrificing quality. Each agent handles a specific part: API endpoints, tests, documentation, refactoring, and error handling. The result? Dramatic time savings and a more efficient workflow. Haiku 4.5 isn't just for desktop developers. Its speed advantage is even more pronounced on mobile devices, where network latency can slow things down. Now, developers can get instant answers and maintain productivity on the go. Whether you're using Claude on iOS or Android, the experience is seamless and fast, making mobile coding a truly viable option for the first time. This flexibility means you can code, review, and iterate wherever you are without compromise. Let's talk economics. Haiku 4.5's pricing is a game changer. Input tokens cost just $1 per million, and output tokens are $5 per million. That's a 67% reduction compared to Sonnet models. This makes sophisticated AI coding assistants accessible to individual developers, small teams, and even businesses offering free-tier AI features. The cost savings don't stop there. Prompt caching and batch processing can drive costs down even further, making high-quality AI affordable for everyone. Haiku 4.5 isn't just about lower prices, it's about smarter spending. With prompt caching, repeated input costs can drop by up to 90%. The Anthropic API's batch processing offers 50% discounts for workloads that can wait up to 24 hours. Running 5 Haiku 4.5 agents in parallel costs less than running 2 Sonnet 4.5 agents sequentially, while delivering results faster. Understanding when and how to deploy each model is key to maximizing both speed and savings. The optimal workflow is all about orchestration. Use Haiku 4.5 for rapid code implementation, test generation, documentation, and bug fixing. Reserve Sonnet 4.5 for system architecture, complex problem decomposition, and security analysis. This division of labor lets you play to each model's strengths, ensuring you get the best results in the shortest time. For example, Sonnet 4.5 can design a system in under a minute, while Haiku 4.5 agents implement components in parallel, slashing total development time. No need to wait. Claude Haiku 4.5 is available right now across all major platforms. Whether you're on Claude.ai, using the Claude code editor, accessing the Anthropic API, or working through Amazon Bedrock or Google Cloud Vertex AI, you can start benefiting from Haiku 4.5 today. GitHub Copilot users can activate it in under 5 minutes, making it easy for both individuals and teams to upgrade their coding experience instantly. Haiku 4.5 offers generous context windows, 200,000 tokens for standard use, and up to 1 million tokens on the developer platform. This means you can include entire microservice architectures in your coding context, making comprehensive refactoring and large-scale code reviews easier than ever. The ability to handle such vast amounts of information in a single session is a huge advantage for complex projects and collaborative teams. Ready to get started? Here's a simple 48-hour implementation plan. Tonight, open Claude Code, select Haiku 4.5, and test your 3 most common coding tasks. Tomorrow, use Sonnet 4.5 for planning a complex feature. Then, delegate tasks to parallel Haiku 4.5 agents. By the end of the week, establish model selection guidelines for your team. This approach can cut your development time by up to 60% and boost productivity by 20–30%. To measure your progress, focus on 4 key metrics: response time, task completion rate, code quality, and cost optimization. Aim for response times under 3 seconds, a 20–30% increase in productivity, no drop in code review scores, and a 67% reduction in costs for suitable workloads. These metrics will help you quantify the impact of Haiku 4.5 and ensure you're getting the most out of your AI investment. With Haiku 4.5, the old trade-off between speed and intelligence is gone. Now, you can build faster, iterate more freely, and ship features while others are still debating which model to use. Multi-agent systems powered by Haiku 4.5 enable parallel execution and cost efficiency, letting you deploy dozens of agents where you once used only one. This is the new reality of AI-assisted development, faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever. The frontier of AI capabilities is advancing rapidly, and those who adapt quickly will shape the future of software development. As the CTO of a medtech startup, I've seen firsthand how agentic coding and AI-powered workflows are changing the game. By sharing these insights, I hope to help more developers harness the power of Claude Haiku 4.5 and stay ahead in this fast-moving field. The next chapter in coding is here. Are you ready to lead the way?